Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So today we're gonna make a pot bake, right? So I already have 2 cups of all-purpose flour in my bowl. To this I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of yeast. I'm gonna add a half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Next I'm going to just mix everything together. Next what I'm going to do, I'm going to add about 3/4 cups of lukewarm water to make this into a dough. Okay, so this is my dough with the water added. Now as you can see here, it looks a little rough. I'll just keep on kneading it for like about a few minutes, and then I would allow this dough to rest for like about. Okay, so here's my dough. The initial full piece of dough, what I did was after 10 minutes of kneading the dough initially, I kneaded it again after 10 minutes, and then I let it set for like about 30 minutes. After that 30 minutes, I knead the dough again. Now I have separated the dough into 2 pieces of dough. Now don't mind, it's looking a little rough. When we roll out the dough, everything will just be fine. So never mind. So next step I'm going to do, I'm going to dust my counter with a bit of flour, and then I'm going to roll out the dough. So this is one of my pieces of dough that I just rolled out here. So what I'm going to do next, I am going to just baste my hot frying pan with a bit of oil, and then I'm going to put this piece of dough in the frying pan. Okay folks, my lighting is not that good. It's getting late, so I'm just trying to do this quickly. Okay, so my frying pan is nice and hot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to baste with a bit of oil first. I'm going to put the piece of dough in here. I'm going to lower down the heat to like medium, a little less than medium heat, because you don't want it to get color too quickly. You want the inside to cook before it gets color. And yeah, what I'll do also too at this point, I would just apply a little oil to the top of the dough too as well. So when I turn it over, it's nicely coated with some oil. You could use butter for this. I'm using oil for this entire recipe. You could use Crisco oil, Crisco butter, Crisco, the shortening, or you could use butter. So now I'm going to turn over the dough. There we go. Okay folks, so here's my pot bake all done, right? I'll allow it to cool before I cut into it. I like when mine is hot like this, I like to eat it like with just some butter. My husband will just put it into his tea like that, and he's happy with that. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Okay, take care, bye.